welcome back to your second maths lesson for this week on our flipped learning at home. Today I'm going to teach you a new way to subtract, to take away. But before we get started, what I need you to get for me is your part whole models that you had in your packs, your whiteboard pens and your whiteboards for me, please, because you're going to need that to start your lessons today. So stop the video now while you go and get them things for me. So let's begin with our arithmetic for today. And we are going to continue with taking away, okay? So I want you to use the method of crossing out, which you learned in the previous video, to solve some of these questions, okay? There are some challenge questions. If you really want to challenge yourselves, you can try and answer these. Stop the video now while you answer them and then upload a picture onto Tapestry for us to see. So today we are focusing on part whole model. Part whole model. As you can see, the sentence is different to when we did our addition. When we did our addition, we did part plus part equals whole, okay? And everything from our part moved upwards into our whole. Well, with subtraction, it's a little bit different. We need to take some from our whole and then move them down into our part. So this time we are going down and not up, okay? So the sentence we're going to learn is whole, take away part, equals part. Your turn. Let's try that again. That's a little bit tricky. Whole, take away part, equals part. Well done, year one. That was fantastic. I'm now going to show you how we will do this. So, when we subtract, we always start with our whole, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a circle around our number 8. And what I'm going to do is make that into a red colour for us so we can see. This is our whole. So when we subtract, we start with a whole. And then we take away a part, okay? Because remember what I said, it is whole, take away part, equals part. What is wrong with this at the moment? Well done. This should not be red because 2 is not our whole. It is a part. So I'm going to put that in blue, okay? And then at the end, it will tell me what my answer is. And that will be the other part, okay? And that's tricky, okay, to remember. So let's have a look. How many do I need to put into my whole today, year one? Fantastic, 8. So I'm going to use the cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, oops-a-daisy, 8. So I have 8 cubes into my whole. How many do I need to take away? Fantastic, 2. So all I'm going to do is move 2 of the cubes from my whole. Do you see how I'm pulling them downwards into my part? That means to find my answer, I need to move everything else to the other part. So you can see me dragging them all down here. Okay, and then this will be my answer. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 8 take away 2 equals 6. And it is easy as that, year one. I think you can do this at home. So what I'm going to ask you to do is I want you to go and find some Lego or some pasta or anything you would like to use to represent things that can go into your whole, okay? And then I want you to see you moving 2 into your first part and then moving the rest into your second part, okay? So try that now at home. I know I've answered it, but I want to see you physically moving your things into the right places, okay? And then you are going to try this one by yourselves. So, how many do we need in our first part? How many do we need? Well done. It is 10, and I'm going to make this a bit bigger because I think it's going to be too small otherwise. And I'm going to put it on top of my 10. Oops, a daisy. That did not work. Let's try again, year one. There we go, on top of your 10. And then, how much do you need for the to take away it from the other part? Let's have a look. 3. Well done. So you need to put 10 into your whole and then take away 3 into your first part. And then you're going to move all of the rest of them into your other part to find out what your answer is. So do you think you can do that for me now? Well done. So stop the video now while you work out your answer. Right, year one, I'm going to go through how to solve this now. So if you want to check your answers, please wait before you empty your boards. So I need to put 10 into here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I've put 10 into my hole like they've asked me to. I am now going to take away 3. So that means I just need to move 3 down to my first part. Can you see how I only moved 3? I didn't move more than 3 because then that makes my answer incorrect. Now I need to move the rest from my hole to find my answer into the other part. So I'm going to bring all of these down into the other part to find out my answer, which is going to go up here. Let's see. Well done. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my answer is 7. Fantastic if you got that at home. I want you to try the next one by yourself, please. So stop the video while you answer this question, please. And the next one. And then finally, what I would like you to do is, during the week, I would like you to use the game Top Marks to try and do your number bonds to 10, because you should be confident in your number bonds to 10, okay? So this is a game that you can play on your tablet or on your computers at home with your mummy and daddy's permission, but you have to ask them, okay? I don't want anybody going onto the internet without asking their mummies and daddies first, okay? So this is something you can do daily, and it's something that you can keep repeating to remember. Okay, guys? So I hope you've had a fantastic lesson. Please upload all your fantastic work onto Tapestry, and we look forward to seeing it. Bye, year one.